In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make mind maps for free using Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find a ready-made mind map template, tailor it to your topic, and export it in the right format for sharing or printing. First, open Canva and, on the home page, use the search bar to type mind map. This brings up a gallery of free layouts in different styles, from simple minimalist designs to colorful, illustrated options. If you're new to Canva, the free version is perfect for this. Browse until you see a layout that matches the mood and complexity you want. You can always simplify a busy design or add more branches to a simpler one. When you've found one you like, click it, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now let's make it your own. Start by updating the central topic. Double-click any text to edit it, and use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Keep headlines bold and branch labels legible so your map stays easy to read. On the left panel, you'll see tabs for elements, text, and more. In Elements, search for lines, arrows, and shapes to build or adjust branches. Drag connectors between ideas so relationships are clear. If a line is too thin or hard to see, select it and increase the stroke weight or change its color for better contrast. To keep the map consistent, duplicate a branch node you like and reuse it for other ideas. This saves time and maintains spacing and style. Use position to align and tidy things, and zoom in as needed for precise adjustments. Icons and illustrations can make concepts memorable. Search for relevant icons in Elements and use a simple color palette to avoid visual clutter. If you're using images, crop or frame them so they don't overwhelm the text. Group related items so you can move them together without breaking your layout, and aim for a balanced design with even spacing around the center. When your mind map looks the way you want, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then choose Download. Select a file type that fits your goal. PNG or JPG works well for sharing in slides or on the web, and PDF is best if you plan to print or need a crisp document. Adjust the size if needed, then click Download to save it to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching.